Hi guys, today we are going to solve some question on number series. So let's begin. Our first question is 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. You have 10 seconds to answer to find out the next number in the series. And the correct answer is 36 because this series is like 1 square, 2 square, similarly 3 square, 4 square, 5 square and 6 square. So 6 square is 36. So 36 is the correct answer. Our next question is the 20, 19, 17 space 10, 5. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is 14 because the series is like -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. So 20 minus 1, 19. Similarly 17 minus 3 equals to 14. 14 is the correct answer. Our next question is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 17. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is 13 because the series is all with the prime numbers 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2 and so on. So 11 plus 2 is 13. Our next question is 6, 11, 21, 36, 56 and dash. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is 81 because the series is like 5, 10, 15, 20. So now 25. 56 plus 25. 25 is 81. So the correct answer is 81. Our next question is 1, 6, 13, 22, 33. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is 46. Because the pattern is like 5, 7, 9, 11 and now 13. So 13 will be added to 33, that is 46. 46 is the correct answer. Our next question is 3, 9, 27 and 81. You have 10 seconds to answer. Shibu. And the correct answer is 243 because the series is always multiplied by 3, like 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, then 27 ja 81 and 81 7 ja 81 3 ja 243. Our next question is 1, 9, 17, 33, 49 and 73. You have 10 seconds to answer. and the correct answer is 97, because the series is like 8 plus 8 plus 16 plus 16 plus 24 plus 24. 73 plus 24 equals to 97. So the correct answer is 97. Our next question is 2, 5, 9, space 20, 27. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is 14, because the pattern is like 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. So here 9 will be added to 5. So the correct answer will be 14. Our next question is 5, 9, 17, 29 and 45. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is 65, because the pattern is like plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 and then plus 20. So the correct answer is 65. Our next question is 3, 7, 15, 31, 63. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is 127, because the pattern is like 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1, then 7 multiplied by 2 plus 1. So here it is 7, here it is 15. So it will be 15 multiplied by 2 plus 1. So it will be 31. So the correct, and then 63. Wait a minute. And then it will be 63 multiplied by 2 plus 1. So the correct answer will be 127. Our next question is 1, 6, 15, space 10, 66 and 91. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the pattern is like plus 5 plus 9 and then space plus 21 and plus 25. So missing number is 15. Okay, 15 plus 13 is 28. So the correct answer is 28. Our next question is 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 and space. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is 13. Now this is a very common pattern. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, and 3 plus 5 is 8. Similarly, 5 plus 8 is 13. The correct answer is 13. Our next question is 0.5, 1.5, 4.5 and 13.5. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is 40.5, because the term whole term is multiplied by 3. So 13.5 is multiplied by 3. So it will be 40.5. Our next question is 121, 225, 361, and just fill in the blank. You have 10 seconds to answer. Now this is a bit difficult one. This one is like 11 square, 15 square, 19 square. Similarly, it will be 23 square. That is 529. So it is the correct answer. Our next question is 0, 2, 8, 14, space and 34. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is 24, because the series is like 1 square minus 1, 2 square minus 2, 3 square minus 1, and then 4 square minus 2. Then it will be 5 square minus 1. So 5 square is 25, minus 1 is equal to 24. Our next question is 19, 2, 38, 3, 114, 4. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is 456, because the series is like 19 to the 38. Similarly, 38 to 3 is 114, and 114 4 is 456. So the correct answer is 456. Our next question is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, and then space and then 54. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is 27, because the series in the numbers in the series is multiplied by 2 and 3 upon 2. Then 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Similarly, 2 multiplied by 3 upon 2 equals to 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 6 multiplied by 3 upon 2 is 9, and so on till the 18. 18 multiplied by 3 upon 2 is 27. So the correct answer is 27. Our next question is 4, 5, 9, 18 and 34. You have 10 seconds to answer. and the correct answer is 59, because the missing pattern is +1, +4, +9, and then +16. So that is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, and 4 square. So similarly, +25, that is 5 square. So 34 plus 25 is 59. The correct answer is 59. Our next question is 3, 6, 18, 72 and space. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is 360, because the pattern is like multiplied by 2, multiplied by 3, multiplied by 4. So similarly, multiplied by 5. 72 multiplied by 5, 360. Okay. Our next question is 72, 36, 18. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is 9, because the series is like all the numbers are divided by 2. So 72 divided by 2 is 36. Similarly, 36 divided by 2 is 18. Similarly, 18 divided by 2 is 9. So the correct answer is 9. Our next question is 21, 25, 33, 49 and 81. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is 145, because the pattern is like +4, +8, +16, +32 and then +64. So 81 plus 64 is 145. Our next question is 12, 32, 72 and 152. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is 312, because the series is like +20, +40, +80, similarly +160. So 152 plus 160 is 312. Our next question is 3, 6, 5, 20, 7, 42 and 9. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is 72. Now this is a bit different question. The sequence is divided into two series, two combinations, odd and even. Odd one are 3, 6, 5, sorry, not 6, 3, 5, 7 and 9. And even are 6, 20 and 42. So in the pattern 2 it is plus 14 and then plus 22. So if we follow the pattern, that is will 42 plus 6 30. So the correct answer will be 72. Okay. Our next question is 1, 3, 4, 8, 15 and 27. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is 50. Because the pattern is added together. Like 1 plus 3 is 4. Similarly 4 plus 3 plus 1 8. Then 8 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 15. Then 15 plus 8 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 27. Similarly, if we sum all the numbers together, it is 50. So the correct answer is 50. Our last question for today is 2, 15, 41 and 80. You have 10 seconds to answer. And the correct answer is 132. Because the pattern is like the table of 13 plus 26 plus 39 and then plus 52. So if we add 52 to 80, it will be 132. So that's the end of the video, guys. Please like and subscribe my channel and share. Also, if you want to watch my previous video of analogy and classification, the link is given in the description. You can watch from clicking on the link. Again, thanks for watching.